Hi, in this video I'm going to show you how to add a line break in HTML. You can use the line break tag, BR tag, to control where your text breaks. Web browsers normally wrap text automatically. A line of text that reaches the right side of the browser window breaks and continues on the next line. You can insert a line break to instruct the browser to break the text and go to the new line. You can also use the BR tag to add the blank lines between paragraphs. This is useful if you want to add extra space above or below a block of text or a heading. By inserting multiple BR tags consecutively, you can increase the amount of space. So I'm going to show you how to add a line break. So first of all, you type BR tag. From the line text that you want to appear as a new line. So for example, I say this and next. So you do not need to close a tag for the line break tag. This is a very special tag. You do not need to close it. So example, I say, and the next one maybe uh, and now when I tap run, as you can see the web browser displays the page. Each instance of the tag creates a new line. So now it's your turn to try it out.